Indian sandalwood offers 5 key mechanisms of action. Let's take a look at each of them now. The skin is comprised of 2 key layers. The epidermis is the skin's outermost layer, acting as a barrier, and the dermis layer is deeper in the skin, composed of collagen and elastin tissue, supporting the epidermis and helping skin thrive. Human skin produces reactive oxygen species, also known as ROS, when exposed to internal stresses such as lifestyle, psychological, and chronological stress, and external stresses such as pollution, UV ray, and blue light. ROS is a type of unstable molecule that reacts with other molecules in a cell, which contributes to the loss of collagen and elastin fibers. This results in fine lines, wrinkles, and texture changes. This can also trigger skin discoloration and dark spots. Indian sandalwood neutralizes and prevents the production of ROS, acting as a natural off switch for ROS activity. It also inhibits the production of MMP1, preventing damage to collagen. Indian sandalwood inhibits 3 inflammatory pathways. These pathways trigger redness, heat, and swelling. Stresses come in and cells note an attack, producing the enzymes phosphodiesterase 4, also known as PDE, and cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase, also known as COX and LOX. These enzymes trigger the production of cytokines and chemokines, which are responsible for creating an inflammatory response. Indian sandalwood irreversibly binds to the PDE and COX and LOX enzymes, preventing them from causing further damage. Deeper in the skin's dermis layer, Indian sandalwood converts active cortisol to inactive cortisol, stopping the inflammatory response. Acne typically starts with inflammation, which breaks down the cellular wall, leading to swelling and the blockage of sebum ducts. Indian sandalwood reduces the proliferation of bacteria and reduces inflammation, exerting dual action. As a result of oxidative stress and inflammation, cells produce tyrosinase, which is what activates melanin production. Melanin produces pigmentation in the skin. Indian sandalwood works by binding to the tyrosinase enzymes, stopping them from activating melanin production, reducing the appearance of blemishes, leaving the skin brighter and more radiant. When applied topically, Indian sandalwood activates receptors in the brain, such as GABA, that are said to reduce anxiety. This leads to reduced physiological markers of stress, such as eye blink rate, pulse rate, and systolic blood pressure. So, this highly versatile, natural powerhouse can benefit your skin and your well-being. Discover more today with Quintis Sandalwood.